Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Edifier X3s with any Android phone or Android tablet. First of all, before the pairing, you have to charge your earbuds and the case for like 20 minutes with this USB-C port, and also disconnect them from any previously connected devices. Next, you have to just open the charging case, remove earbuds, then click and hold on the left and the right together until this LED light starts blinking. There we go. Right now, release. On your Android device, you have to go to the Bluetooth settings. Then you have to select pair new device. Select your Edifier earbuds. Click to pair. And as you can see, right now we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.